It's the end of June and the beginning of July. This is your upside downside real estate report.
The upside for buyers is there's inventory. I took my buyers out the other day. We saw 5 houses. They were able to find the one that they loved the most, and we were able to get under agreement with a home sale contingency. Sigh. The downside for buyers, and I tell you guys this every summer, go back and watch the videos. This is the best time of year to get a deal on a house in the greater Boston area. Why? Because everybody goes on vacation. Families stop looking. They just want to enjoy the short season that we have. So the biggest mistake you're making is not looking for a home right now. The upside for sellers is you have such amazing equity built up in your home because of the last 5 years and the 40 to 50% increases in equity that you really can make a move right now. You can transfer that equity into your next primary, go and get an investment property, or maybe it's even time to take out that HELOC and get those projects done. The downside for sellers is you might have deferred some maintenance, some big ticket items, roofs, heating systems, painting, repairs. It's time to get those things fixed, because if you don't fix them before you go to market, say bye-bye to some of that beautiful equity, because buyers are demanding an inspection and they are demanding concessions on deferred maintenance on homes. For more information on what's happening in the market right now for buyers, for sellers, there's so many resources on my website. Check it out. It's sellyourhousewithsteph.com. I'm Steph Saunders with Foundation Brokerage Group, and I'll see you next month for another episode of the Upside Downside Real Estate Report.